I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by getting everything ready so the DMA workflow runs smoothly. Install the latest KineMaster build and grant storage and mic access. Gather your source clips, audio, and overlays using 1080p or 720p files when possible to preserve quality. Once done, open KineMaster and create a new project with a 16:9 aspect ratio. Name it clearly. Make sure you test playback of a short clip to confirm import and permissions are correct before moving into the assembly phase. You now construct the DMA edit by arranging clips and committing to structure. Import clips, trim excess with the razor tool, and ripple to close gaps. Once placed, add layers, media, overlay, and text so you can adjust elements independently, lock tracks that are finished. Then perform the core DMA adjustments, consistent color correction or a LUT for matching, subtle speed ramps for emphasis, and precise audio ducking so voice remains clear. Make sure to preview transitions and fix timing before final polish. You finish by exporting and validating the DMA project. Export a short sample at your target resolution and bitrate to confirm quality, then export the full movie once satisfied. Make sure sync between picture and sound is exact, inspect for compression artifacts, and verify consistent audio levels across sections. If you encounter stuttering, missing layers, or crashes, clear the app cache, lower export bitrate, or re-import the failing asset. Finally, rerun one final playback. If issues persist, isolate the problematic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.